Welcome to the GridMate Learning Channel. Today, we will provide you with a comprehensive demo on utilizing the search by topic functionality in the GridMate File Explorer. This feature streamlines the search process, delivering focused and targeted results that align with users' specific interests and information needs. Here, you can find the files along with their respective topics. From here we can see all topics. Simply click on one or more desired topics, and the results will be automatically filtered accordingly. The results will be exclusively displayed for the topics of documentation and GridMate. Or type it in if it is one of the existing options. The results will be displayed exclusively for the invoice topic. Also, we can search on the carousel view. Of course, we can slide the bar to fully view all the topics. Also, we can do the same on the gallery view. That's it. Thank you for watching.